Timmy's eyes widen as he watches the portal flicker to life, tempting him with the promise of extraordinary adventures. They find themselves surrounded by ancient wonders, feeling the weight of history pressing down on their small shoulders. The princess implores them for help, her desperation evident as she pleads for them to find the lost amulet that could save her kingdom. The trio delves deeper into the ancient maze, the walls whispering tales of forgotten treasures and untold secrets. The hieroglyphs come alive under their guidance, leading them closer to the elusive amulet that could tip the scales of fate. As they reach for the prize, a sense of foreboding grips them, knowing that challenges lie ahead that will test their bond and resolve. A sinister presence looms over them, threatening to undo all they have worked for, their adversary determined to sabotage their noble quest. With courage as their shield and cunning as their sword, they face the ultimate test of their mettle, risking everything to safeguard the princess's kingdom. As the dust settles and peace returns to the land, a sense of fulfillment washes over them, their hearts lighter for having faced adversity and emerged stronger.